Black sea bass is a springtime classic. Tonight, I'm going to show you a great way to prepare this local treasure on the grill. The star of the show is the black sea bass. You can see it's got a very lean, white flesh. The skin is a black charcoal gray, very beautiful fish, very delicate fish, which typically cannot be cooked on a grill, but we're gonna talk about that in a minute. As for the other ingredients, we're gonna juice some lemon, we're gonna mince some shallot, we've got some capers, we've got some parsley from the garden, and that is all that is required. Step number one is we need to season this fish with salt and pepper. All right, now that our fish is seasoned, we're going to mince our shallot, we're gonna juice our lemon, and then we will begin the pouch assembly. Okay, it is time to assemble our pouch. We're doing black sea bass in a pouch. We'll cook it on the grill on Papillo. So we start with a little olive oil, about a tablespoon. Throw on some of that shallot. Throw in a couple small spoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Throw in our capers for a little more salt and savory magic. And what's gonna happen is this is gonna steam in its own juices on the grill, which is a fairly idiot-proof way to cook fish. All right, we've got our grill fired up. We're gonna just cook these pouches on the grill. The fish will steam in its juices for about 8 minutes, then it's ready to eat. Okay, it's go time. Just throw them on the grill. You're gonna flip them over after about 4 minutes. And that's all you gotta do. That's the sound of a steaming, flavorful black sea bass. Okay, it is time to retrieve our pouches. Black sea bass in a pouch on the grill. Let's get into it. We're going to unwrap the pouch. We get a nice facial steam. This looks beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please like and subscribe. That's the best possible way to support this channel. Bon appetit, good luck in the kitchen. Perfectly cooked. Winner. Love this.